Students, today we will see three topics. First topic is linear charge density. Second one is surface charge density. And third one is volume charge density. So, the distributed charge in unit length of linear conductor. If we have a linear conductor and the distributed charge in the unit length of linear conductor, that is called linear charge density. The linear charge density we will represent by lambda. So we have a wire, and if in the L length of wire q amount of charge is distributed, then linear charge density lambda will be total charge upon total length. So total charge will be q and total length will be L. So lambda is equal to q by L, and unit of lambda will be coulomb per meter. We can represent this formula in this way also. Q is equal to lambda L. Second point, surface charge density, the distributed charge in unit area of conductor. If we have a conductor and the charge distributed in the unit area of this particular conductor, that charge is called surface charge density. We will represent this surface charge density by the letter sigma. So you can see there is a area A. At this area A, q charge is distributed. So sigma will be, sigma, that is surface charge density, sigma will be equal to total charge upon total area. So here total charge distributed is q and total area is A. So sigma will be q by A, and sigma will be q by A, and its unit will be coulomb per meter square. Coulomb per meter square. We can write this formula in this way also. Q is equal to sigma A. Now we will go in third, volume charge density, the distributed charge in unit volume of conductor. If we have a conductor and that particular conductor's unit volume, whatever charge is distributed, that charge is called volume charge density. We will represent by this volume charge density by the letter rho. So this is a 3D figure and its volume is V, and in this particular volume q amount of charge is distributed. So volume charge density rho will be total charge upon total volume. So here total charge distributed is q, we will write q here, and total volume, that is V. So rho is equal to q by V. Its unit will be coulomb per meter cube. We can write this formula in this way also. Q is equal to rho V. So we have seen linear charge density, surface charge density, and volume charge density. We will represent linear charge density by letter lambda, surface charge density by sigma, and volume charge density by rho. This is the charge distributed in unit length of the linear conductor. This is surface charge density is charge distributed charge in unit area of conductor, and volume charge density is distributed charge in unit volume of the conductor. Formula, we can, final formula we can write q is equal to lambda L, here q is equal to sigma A, here q is equal to rho V.